powered by BrainyBuyer.com, where real data meets real-world reviews. If our side-by-side breakdowns save you time and money, please tap that subscribe button so we can keep digging for the truth behind the specs. So I'm looking at these two espresso machines, the Breville Barista Touch and a refurbished Jura Z10. Both super automatic, right?
Yeah, exactly. Both are in that do-everything-for-you category, but they have some key differences. The Breville is brand new, whereas the Jura is refurbished, which already sets them apart.
Definitely. I see the Breville has a 4.4 rating with tons of reviews, but the Jura only has one review and a 1-star rating. That's concerning.
Right? That's a big red flag. Plus, the Jura is currently unavailable, so even if you wanted, time it, getting one might be tricky.
Good point. Okay, let's look at features. The Breville boasts a thermojet heating system for a super fast heat-up time, like 3 seconds. Does the Jura have anything similar?
The Jura highlights its 8th generation brewing unit with 3D brewing technology and a product recognizing grinder, or PRG. It adjusts the grind automatically for different drinks, so it's more about grind consistency than speed.
Interesting. The Breville has a touchscreen, which seems pretty user-friendly, and you can save custom coffee settings. What about the Jura's interface?
The Jura has a 4.3-inch touch display, also with AI to make it intuitive, and a blue crystal rotary switch. It sounds fancy, but with that single 1-star review, I'd be cautious.
Yeah, I hear you. The Breville also does automatic microfoam milk texturing, which is cool for latte art.
The Jura does claim to prepare a wide variety of hot drinks, including cold brew, using a cold extraction process. That sounds unique, but again, the lack of positive feedback makes it tough to trust.
So dimensions-wise, the Jura is a bit bigger, and the Breville weighs more. And the Breville has a bunch of accessories included, like a portafilter, milk jug, cleaning kit, and water filter.
And the Breville is readily available, new, and has a lot of positive reviews. Honestly, unless you really want that cold brew feature and are willing to take a gamble on a refurbished machine with a terrible rating, the Breville Barista Touch seems like the much safer bet.
I think I agree. The Breville sounds like a better and easier option. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.